Let's dive into our weekly intuitive insights with my I am statement cards. And I do this for years. I never miss any week. So I'm happy to do this with you. Amber gets hers as well, my I am statement cards. And here it is. They're always accurate. So I'm very, very excited. So we are choosing 3 cards for the week. And then I do the interpretation based on my intuition. But in the workbook, there's a section just for this video. And you write down whatever came out the 3 cards. If you have my cards, feel free to pick yourself as well at those 2. And then interpret it for yourself, for your life for the week. What that means for you, how they became a reality, or what they changed in your life as well. Okay, so the first card we have is
Welcome to my practical brain lab experiments on a calm, stable life.
Look at this! I cannot make this stuff up. I am abundant. I am abundant. Look at this. Number 7 is this week, and next week we are going to talk about literally I am abundant. I cannot make this stuff up. I love my cards. I love my cards. Okay? So I'm abundant is literally when we are rewiring since the start of the week. We have a new moon solar eclipse in Aquarius, literally with Pluto there, complete transformation, new chapters are starting. And how fitting is this when you have your brain rewired for success, and then boom, abundance comes in as well. This is literally, I highly encourage you to get advantage of all, because I do all of these products and services for a reason, because they match all together. I hope you finally get the point why I do which product and services. They're all in a one big purpose, okay, for your brain and for your entire life. So with that, I am abundant is literally our card, okay? And by the way, 7 is like 2 people. Relationship can be very important factor here. For me, literally is like one-on-one relationships, partnerships, in love and work, etc. So there will be huge developments and abundance there from the beginning of the week. Let me write that down actually. Number 7, I am abundant. Oh, so beautiful. To even say that is just so beautiful. And literally last week, if you missed that, week 6, I am prosperous. I literally explained to you the neuroscience why just repeating affirmations, repeating won't work alone. That you need to do something else in your brain, and that, my friend, you will find it in the previous video. So all the links are in the description, so I always link them, and also at the end of the video, okay? So 56! Oh my god! 56 is I am infinite. Look at this. I am infinite. 56, 5 plus 6 is 11. How infinite is just literally a master number. And we don't do a numerology or anything like that here. That's Kabbalah, that's nonsense. We don't do that here. It's just literally for me, what I interpret this with my cards, and my interpretation is based on my cards. And literally, as you can see, and I never made any calculation when I created these cards. And as you can see, every card's number matching literally with the wording. That's all my cards, and it's just unreal. So 11, literally master number. No, but 11 cannot be divided into anything, and so that's why it's a master number. And in mathematics, And so we don't do any Kabbalah or any kind of ritual, whatever, woo-woo, occult stuff here. And I highly encourage you to not to believe in that stuff. As I always say, there are no angel numbers or anything like that. But here, I'm infinite we are infinite, because when we say I'm abundant, also when we create our successful brain, there's nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. With the beginning of the week, the new moon, solar eclipse, complete change, with Neptune in Aries, Saturn in Aries, my goodness, unreal. Pluto is there, and then the Neptune and Saturn is in Aries. Is just a brand new chapter in our lives. No wonder why you are here, and we do this together with abundance that we create in the middle of the week. We feel infinite, we feel hopeful. Remember last week, the end of the bottom of the deck was I'm hopeful, and this will continue into we are literally can create whatever we want, whatever life we want. Let's write that down, 56. And by the way, I remember last week the 5 and this 5 came out twice as well. And here I think it came number 5 and then 51 or something, or 52. Here we have 56 again, and then I am infinite. This is so beautiful. And then the end of the week we have, whoa, look at this. I am dedicated. Number 28. 2 plus 8 is 10, reduces down to 1. We are again starting a brand new chapter, because on the 20th, so important, Neptune Aries and Saturn Aries combined together, and it's just in 0 degrees, a phenomenal, rare event that's happening there. Literally a brand new chapter starting, and we are dedicated toward our newfound goal, mission. And when I say mission, I don't mean like this woo-woo people, like, I have to find my mission in this world. No, I don't mean that. I mean your goals, right? Like, I don't know, paying the bills, or getting a job, or having a good relationship, getting out more, taking care of health. That's what I mean by that, right? Like the goal setting we talked about here, the micro goals that we are setting and checking off. That's what I mean. We are dedicated towards making our life happen. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. Number 28. I am dedicated. Literally dedicated to make our life happen. That's how I interpret it. And in the bottom, we have, every week there is my rune card, okay? Every week there's my rune card. And when that happens, it's very, very powerful. But in this week, for the first time, we don't have during the week any of a rune card, which since from the very beginning of the year up until this week, we always had a rune card in the middle of the week, somewhere in the week. Now we don't have it, means it's easier, and I completely feel this because a reason of I destroy my tarot cards. I literally did it on live stream on Friday. I encourage you to completely destroy your tarot cards, because they will destroy your life. That's what I figured out, and they no longer will exist in my home, in my space. And here it is. How easier it is become, okay? And in the bottom we have a rune card which oversees the general largeness of life, or largeness of the week as a whole, not individually like picking and this tiny little things. It's like a larger scale happenings in this week. And this is Ansus. We had this before, Ansus. And this is communication, inspiration, divine message. Communication, inspiration, divine message. Okay, so write that down. Ansos. This is literally the communication we will get. Maybe we will get, for me, it's 100% real that happened on Friday, on Thursday, and then on Friday, I realized about the tarot cards and the occult and all that nonsensical things, so that I destroyed the devil and the tarot cards. And watch those. They are literally on the shorts as well as on the live stream replay. Watch those, and I will continue to destroy all my tarot cards in front of you so that you can see. Actually, I'm dedicated to turn my life around, because since 2011 I have never experienced those horrific times in my life that I experienced during this period. And this is exactly when I dived deeper into tarot and astrology, and it was like horrendous times. And maybe because I had the devil, literally the evil, the occult stuff in my home. So I'm getting rid of that. I woke up, and I will never do this since, because as you know, since the last 2 years, I have been using only my cards. And I 100% am always accurate, so has nothing to do with tarot. You can just get inspiration, divine message yourself, and that's what you will get this week, because you will learn how to listen to the heaven and earth and bring this together within you and you only, and no midman. You don't need a midman. I say this a million times. Only you and the heavens, or if you don't believe, doesn't matter. Listen to your body. It will tell you, okay? You don't need an outer factors. You only need to listen to your body, and that's it. That's the nature, okay? Perfect. Actually, I want to tell you, after I picked the overall, and that's Ansos, at the bottom we have Gable, another rune card. And look at this, the partnership, exchange, and gifts. Didn't I say in the very beginning, abundance will come through people, partnerships, relationships? Literally, we have that this week. Gable, partnership, relationship, will actually make the abundance happen in your work. And we are attractive. We are attractive. Number 20. 2 people, guys. I'm telling you, 2 people. And oh my God. Number 6. I'm successful. Whoa. And I'm radiant. Number 10. Guys, I told you. We are rewiring our brain for success. We will create the abundance. We are dedicated towards making our life happen. And people, for once, will help us to get there. Oh my God. Unreal. Now, finally, we will do our cognitive focus, focusing on either gratitude or our success statements, right? My success statement cards, they are called affirmations here, but I call them my rock star cards because they answer all my questions. No other card needed. And also my gratitude statement cards. I created them recently, last year, but or published them. So I turned the affirmations into statements, but these are published 2 years ago. So no longer affirmations, but statements. And these are 244 cards each. So they are 88 cards, and they are based on my life, and they are my words, okay? No AI junk. It's actually my words, okay? That I kept repeating to myself my entire life. So here what we have, and we have actually a success statement, and the bottom is also a success statement. How fitting is that? So full-blown success this week. And we have 29. 2 plus 9 is 11 again. Master number. And this says, we had this before. maybe not last week, but the week before, maybe last week, I don't know, but we had this recently. Every person's life journey is different. I focus on mine. Exactly. Didn't I say, listen to your body, listen to yourself, listen to your own life, own health, own body, listen to your own brain, and focus on your goal that we set for yourself, that you set for yourself, because it's your prefrontal cortex, nobody else. Just literally, I mean, just think of that, right? If you think that other people will tell you what, no, it's your prefrontal cortex. I mean, even like your body says, it's my brain, okay? My prefrontal cortex, my dopamine system. I don't care about other people's brain. I have no idea what is happening in other people's brain. I don't care. That's their life. My dopamine system, my prefrontal cortex, my amygdala is based on my life. Got that? So awesome. So 29, we're only focusing on our lives and our life's journey only. Okay? Perfect. Oh my God, number 14, my card, my number, that's my number, okay? Number 14, I'm always honest and fair. Honesty, truth, integrity. Remember my t-shirt? I'm always honest and fair when I climb the ladder. Success, right? I told you this is such a great week. When I climb the ladder step by step to achieve my goals and dreams. I have 2 or 3 cards here on these Rockstar cards that mention achieving my goals and dreams. These are almost like an oracle card, and they give you the answer. When this comes out, it literally means we will achieve our goals and dreams this week. So set your goals this week, clear goals, right? Clear goals and setting goals with our completion protocol. Get your protocol down below, download it and start working on it for this week. Create micro goals and then define it, track it, pause, reflect, and also recognize and acknowledge. So this is our system here, and this is guaranteed. 14 brings us the success, the abundance, and infinite work, life, and infinite life events that we keep going and keep achieving success, achieve our goals and dreams, and we become dedicated, because repetition is critical here. We become dedicated to our success, to achieving our goals. I hope this was helpful to you. I loved it so bad. This will be such a great week. Let me know in the comments. Again, I encourage you to watch here the week 1, I am safe, the amygdala, how to calm down the amygdala so they don't shoot in our own foot and damage our progress. And here I want you to watch the last week's video, week 6 of I Am Prosperous, and you can learn about the dopamine system. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Next week is I Am Abundant, and I will see you then. Bye.
You're